Let n be a natural number, then 2n choose n is even. We're going to prove this. So we're going to give a really careful proof of this statement. So first, let's talk about what 2n choose n actually means. So note, 2n choose n is the number, I'll use a pound sign, of n element subsets of a set with 2n elements. So that is, I guess, like the combinatorial definition. So if you just had, say, n choose r, this is the number of r element subsets of a set of size n. So here, it's the number of n element subsets of a set of size 2n, a set with 2n elements. So if, let's just say, x is one of these subsets of, say, let's call the 2n element subset A, which has 2n elements. Then we're saying if x is one of these, the cardinality of x, in other words, the number of elements in x is equal to n. And if you look at a set minus x, so all of the elements in A that are not an x. So basically you take all of the elements in A, which is 2n, and you subtract the elements in x. So you get 2n minus n, so you get n. So why are we talking about the complement? Well, we want to show that there exists a pairing. I'm basically now going to show you how there are an even number of these subsets. So therefore, this is an even number, right? This is the number of n element subsets. So we're going to show there's an even number of these subsets. So thus, we can list the sets as follows. Handwriting isn't so good, but hopefully the speaking is helping. Say x sub 1, and then a set minus x sub 1. Oops, x sub 1. Another one would be x sub 2, a set minus x sub 2. Another one would be x sub 3, a set minus x sub 3, etc. And we can do this for all the sets. So all the sets are listed in pairs. So you have 2 sets plus 2 sets plus 2 sets plus 2 sets. So you end up with an even number of subsets. So thus, there are an even number of n element subsets of a set of size 2n. So 2n choose n is even, and that completes the proof. That's it.